Hello guys, welcome to Funky Class. Today we're having maths activity, okay, on number 1 to 5. Basically number recognition, tracing the number, and also exercise, count and match, okay. So first of all, we're going to be reciting the number 1 to 10 as usual. So Eri, look here. What's this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Beautiful. Come on, high five. Number 1 to 10. That was awesome. All right, great job. So now we're going to be tracing the number 1 to 5 using the card games. I made this myself. It's my invention. So check the link below to see how to do this at home. All right.
Oh.
What number is this?
1.
1. So with this number card, the kid can learn to write by tracing directly on the number. They can also write the number beside at the space provided, okay? And remember, you can clean this off. This is quite interesting. What number is this?
2.
2. Now let's trace number 2. Take it. Let's do it together.
Don't do it.
No, start from here. Start from here. Yes. It's okay. Good job!
Yeah.
Good job! Now let's write it together here again. Hold it well, hold it. 2. So you're going to practice this number tracing and writing for all the numbers you're learning for the day. Here we did for number 1 to 5, okay? So enjoy. So that was number tracing and writing, okay? So we're going to do number shading. We're going to count and shade. All right, Eric, take this.
Marker.
Marker, yeah, that's marker. So what number is this?
3.
3, good job. Let's count 3 circles. 1,
2, 3.
2, 3. Now shade it 3. Shade it. This exercise is good for number recognition, counting, shading, you know. So do this for all the numbers you're learning for the day. Enjoy. So what number is this?
5.
5. Good job. 5. So now let's count 5 circles.
Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. 1. Now shade the 5 portions. Shade the 5 circles.
Dad.
You got it. Good girl. Good. Next.
I played.
It's okay. Next.
Where?
Good job. And next.
This.
Good. Can I have it? So let's count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And this is?
5.
Come on, high five. Thank you. So take this. That was beautiful. So the next thing is to have our worksheet activity, okay? And it's count and match activity, okay? So look at it. Here's the worksheet. Count and match. Good. What is this?
Cake.
Cake. And these are?
Candle.
Candles. Good job. Come on, high five. Candles. So let's count these candles. Let's count it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. 4 candles. So where is 4 here? Where is 4? Good job. Now circle it. Circle the 4. Circle 4. Good. Now match it to this one.
Okay.
Draw a line like this.
I'm doing mine.
Good. Come on, high five. Good job. Let's count the next one. How many candles?
1.
1. Where is 1?
2.
This. Now circle the 1. Circle it. Good job. Now draw a line. Match it to the right. Yes. Here. Yes. Match it. Good job. So let's count the candles here. 1, 2, 3. So where is 3 here? Good Good job. Now circle it. Circle the 3. Good. Now draw it. Here. Yes. Good. Now let's count this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 candles. Where is 5?
Yeah.
5, yes. Now circle 5 here.
Ooh.
Now draw a line to 5 candles here. Good job. Come on. High five. And here is our count and match activity worksheet. Okay, so give the kids some time to color it, and that's it.